Alright, so we're going to go over this question today. It's going to be question 2176, count equal and divisible parts in an array. So essentially we're going to get an array like this, and then it's going to ask us to basically go through and see if there are any pairs. So basically, like as you can see, we got a 3 here and a 3 here, so that would be a pair. But if you were to take their indexes, which would be this 0 and 6, you multiply them together and then divide them by this k, it would, and if it's evenly divisible, then we would add it to the pair. So like these ones, like 3 and 3 are equal, and 0 and 6 equals 0, and then that is 0 is divisible by 2, which is this number right here. And then you just output 0 if there are none. So this one, you see there are no pairs, which means there can't possibly be anything in there. So we're going to start here. All right, so we're going to have pairs equals 0, and then we're gonna just do the length of the array to make this a little easier on us. Okay, and then we're gonna have a few for loops. So for I in range nums, right? Oh, actually, we're gonna do length because that's what we want here. And then for j in range, and then I plus 1, and we do the I plus 1 here because we want to make sure that we aren't counting the same thing. So if we're starting on 0, we don't want them to also count 0 again. We want it, and we also, like, if say we're at like 2, we don't want it to go back and check 1. We want it to just check what's left, so that way we can get a better runtime. All right. Sweet. All right. So now this is where we check. Be like, if nums I is equal to nums j. But we also want to check and make sure that I times j modulus k equals 0. Pairs plus equal 1. So yeah, so we're checking to make sure that the values here are the same, so like 3 and 3, and then we're also making sure that the 0 times the 6 divided by k is evenly divisible, so it has no remainder, and then we add it there, and then all we have to do is return the pairs. Nice, and we got 88% on the runtime as well as 94% on the memory. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear more what you think.